The world economy is having crazy issue. Nigerian economy is another topic to talk about, right? And people are scared. How can I make money legitimately without having to leave the comfort of my house or go out there and learn another new work and do all of those stuff? And I personally have spent the past 8 years of my life building my own personal businesses on the internet. I've tried a lot of businesses, from bulk SMS to even recharge card printing to blogging to e-commerce, mini importation, drop shipping. I've literally tried a lot of all these businesses. But I discovered that one of the powerful business models that one can really start that requires little or zero capital startup fee is called affiliate marketing. And when I started up this journey in my affiliate marketing business, I tried doing affiliate marketing in the international market, tried it in the Nigerian market and African market, and I've acquired a good experience doing it. And not just that, I've even built an affiliate marketing platform with my business partner, and it's currently now considered to be one of the fast-growing affiliate marketing platforms in Africa. But today I want to teach you how you can use my platform, which is 100% free of charge, to start up your own affiliate marketing journey. I've trained thousands of students. You can verify this on YouTube and on Facebook and everywhere you want to verify it. My name is all over the place. But I want to train you now and teach you how you can use this to make your 2023 and 2024, 2025 an exceptional year for yourself. How you can leverage in this business model, start up with zero capital, earn in dollars every week, and then build the life of your dream. I must tell you, you might start making $10, $20, $30, but one day you're going to gravitate to making $1,000 and even more for yourself. So I prepared a free video where I will show you my own journey, how I started and what I did to get to where I am, and how you can replicate it for yourself. Click the link around this video, probably on top of this video or under this video, and you're going to watch this free video I've recorded for you that will get you started in your affiliate marketing journey. I promise you it will worth your time and your life will not be the same. See you in that video.